Hello planning mashers and welcome to day 31 of my 31 days of bullet journal page ideas video series. Yes, it's the last day. I want to say thank you to everyone who was watching the videos and participated with offering different spreads and different design ideas. I really enjoy creating this series and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Let me know if you want me to create any other series. I actually had so much fun with my daily videos. I think I might want to do something similar again. Now, it's day 31, so it's not only the last day of the challenge, it's also the last day of the month. Therefore, today I am doing a monthly review spread. But it's the last day, so I decided to add something extra and I am starting from a little quotes page. I love quote pages, they're super fun, they're great filler, and I feel like they really add character to your monthly setups. Obviously, because this is October, I had to do a fall-related quote. The second page is an October monthly review, like I mentioned before. I love to do monthly reviews and I really think that's a spread everyone should have in their bullet journal. Monthly reviews are amazing because they help you not only kind of have a check on you and see how you can do better next month, but they're also great if you are a bullet journal beginner and you're still kind of trying to figure out what you want from your journal. If you include bullet journal related information in your monthly spread, it will be so useful to you because you will know that next month you will need to make some changes. Now, I just posted a blog post about creating a monthly review in your bullet journal, what you might write there, what are the benefits, and all the good stuff, including tons of inspiration from other creators. So make sure to check that out. The link will be in the description. Thank you again for joining me. Don't forget to come say hi in our Facebook group, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!